Okay, I will be doing a one-way independent ANOVA with multiple comparisons to see whether the number of injuries inflicted differ across rugby teams. So our independent variable is the number of teams that they are playing, the team they have played, and our dependent variable is the number of injuries sustained by each player in a match. I will also conduct planned comparisons to test if Tonga causes more injuries than all of the other teams, and if Japan causes fewer injuries than Wales and New Zealand, and finally if Wales and New Zealand inflict similar number of injuries. So first, to conduct a one-way independent ANOVA, we go up to Analyze, down to Compare Means, into one-way ANOVA. We bring our number of injuries. Since that is our dependent variable, we bring it over into the dependent list. We bring our team into our factor list. We're going to press POCOS test. We want to select Bonferroni and Games Howell. Then we're going to press Options, and we're going to select Descriptives, Homogeneity of Variance, and Means Plot. And we press OK. And here are our descriptives and our test of homogeneity of variance. So the question is, what is the assumption of homogeneity of variance? And here we see that based on the mean, there is a significance here, and that means that there is not homogeneity of variance, because the observed p-value of 0.008 is less than 0.05. So therefore, since there is no homogeneity of variance, we will not use a Bonferroni test, but we'll look at the Games Howell test. So I will delete this Bonferroni. However, if we come down and look at the graph here, we see that Tonga, this is showing that Tonga looks like it's a little bit more aggressive than the other teams, and there is a higher number of injuries when teams play Tonga. Okay, so in this multiple comparisons, a post hoc test, basically what this is showing is that Tonga is very aggressive. Here we have that Tonga is aggressive with all the teams. You can see it here and here and there. So to answer the hypothesis questions, does Tonga cause more injuries than all the other teams? Basically, yes, they do. They are very aggressive players. And to answer the question, does Japan cause fewer injuries than Wales? This is showing that there is no significant difference. Here it is, right here and here. And then finally, to see if Wales and New Zealand inflict similar number of injuries. We see Wales and New Zealand here. I'm not sure. 1 second. I want to say that it is not significant, but I could be wrong. So in conclusion, this is how you do a one-way independent ANOVA with multiple comparisons.